On the mobile application, you have the option to perform basic searches. For performing searches, you can search by parcel number, owner name, physical address, which is the default, and street name. When searching by parcel number, please note that Gaston County uses a 6-digit parcel number. You must enter at least 5 numbers for the search to return results. To search by an owner name, the format is last name, followed by first name, followed by middle name or initial, as it appears on the recorded instrument. If you are searching by an organizational name, the format is the name as it appears on the recorded instrument. Partial names are also allowed when searching by an owner name. When searching by a physical address, enter the street address, not including the city, state, or zip. Please note that street directionals such as north, south, east, and west must be abbreviated using their single letter representation. Additionally, street suffixes such as avenue, road, and drive must also be abbreviated. For example, if you are searching 128 West Main Avenue, your search should look like 128 W Main Ave. To search by a street name, enter the name as text. Except for streets located in Bessemer City, most of the numbered streets in Gaston County are spelled out. You may have to try your search in both numeric and text formats. Please note that street directionals such as north, south, east, and west must be abbreviated using their single letter representation. Additionally, street suffixes such as avenue, road, and drive must also be abbreviated. For example, if you are searching for West Main Avenue, your search should look like W Main Ave. Unlike the other 3 search options, searching by street name returns a list of block ranges. In the Property Details window, the Property Information Card link has been replaced by a direct link to Wedge. This is a website that is supplied by DevNet Inc., and their website is not maintained by Gaston County. This is where you will find information related to billing, transfer history, and structure details. At the bottom of the Property Details window, there are 3 buttons. The left button displays comparable sales. This is a website that is supplied by Spatialist Inc. and is not maintained by Gaston County. This website does not have responsive design for mobile devices. At the time of this recording, this feature is only available for residential properties. The middle button is the ability to view the record on a map. If you have not yet done so, a prompt will be given asking for permission to activate the map feature. By clicking yes, the application will navigate to the map pane, which loads the map and zooms to where the parcel is located. The right button will generate a quick link to share this property with others.